For owners of warehouses and factories, of all shapes and sizes, maintaining clean and disinfected premises is one of the biggest challenges, due to big size and expensive cleaning utilities. So, have you disinfected your factory, warehouse or plant ever? Probably never. To help you out, we've put together Shuddhi, a hassle-free cost-effective solution with the minimum of efforts. So, find out exactly why you should make the cleanliness and tidiness of your factory or warehouse is a priority and how to maintain a hygiene work environment with the minimum of hassle. Benefits of using Shuddhi. Increased productivity. Healthy environment means healthy staff health. Comply with health and safety regulations. Affordable treatment to protect you and your employees. Improve air quality. Kills 98.9% bacteria.